Hi guys, so we've had a mild winter and the weather's warming up. We've had a few warm days and it's just so exciting, and you can't wait to get out there in the garden and start cleaning it up and start seeing all the wonderful plants come up. But wait, please don't do it yet. As a gardener, you are trying to make the world better. You look around you and you want to create beauty, and you want to create habitat for a lot of wildlife, the birds, the bees, the butterflies. In order to do that, you can't clean up your garden yet. It's too early. Okay? As a manager of your habitat, you decide what lives and dies. If you start cleaning it up now, you are going to be killing some of the very insects that you want to be able to promote in your garden. I'm going to be showing you around in my garden, and the reason that you don't want to clean anything up yet is that many insects spend the winter hiding in leaf litter or attached underneath leaves or attached to stems of plants in your garden. And by cleaning them up, you would just be taking them, removing them, and throwing them away and killing them. So even when you do get around to cleaning up, which should not be until the perennials are really well up, you should take the stems that you remove and you should move them into a pile to allow those insects to be able to complete their life cycles and be able to live in your garden. I'm going to take you around my garden and show you what mine looks like and why you should still leave yours alone. Remember that the world can function without humans, but humans can't function without the things that insects do for us. For example, insects pollinate and provide about 1 out of every 3 bites that we eat. Without them, much of our food would not be pollinated. They also help to break down the leaves in our gardens and turn them into nutrients for the plants. So you would be interrupting this process as well. This is little bluestem, one of our native grasses, and little bluestem supports many of our skippers, relative of butterflies. If I were to cut this down, I don't know what eggs may have been laid there that are waiting to emerge, or I really don't know what might be hiding in the leaf litter. These creatures are so small, we won't know. This plant is blue star. In those stems, once they break, bees and other insects will go into the hollow stems and hide and protect themselves in there. So if I were to remove them all now, I might be killing any animals that might be surviving in the stems. Remember that insects provide food for other animals. They provide food, they're eaten by smaller mammals, they're also eaten by birds. One nest of chickadees, for example, needs over 300 caterpillars a day for those little babies to survive. So imagine 300 caterpillars, how much food that is, and that's in one day. So we want to make sure that we are not killing off those insects on our property that are actually helping the environment, helping our ecosystems. And as a gardener, you are a steward of the earth. You can control your own habitat, and you're deciding what lives and dies there. In the next video, I'm going to be discussing some more specific native plants. I'm going to be taking you to the Philadelphia Flower Show, what was available there, and discussing native plants that were on exhibit at the Philadelphia Flower Show. Another upcoming video is going to be discussing, should we use straight species of plants or are cultivars okay? So those are 2 upcoming videos that you can be on the lookout for coming up. Thank you for joining me today. And again, enjoy your gardens, take a rest, spend this time in this warm weather right now just going through maybe some catalogs and books and doing some research and planning out your garden, but not cleaning it up quite yet.